is a matter of the recruitment of 92 LDCs in the Collectorate, North and South, under the Revenue Department of the Government of Goa. 13,937 people had applied for this 92 posts. The process entirely began in January of 2019. January the process began. The public notice for this new exam was given in April of 2023. On the 1st October 2023, a written exam was conducted. Results of the written exam was brought out, and on 2nd February 2024, the skill test was conducted. And 7 months later, that means day before yesterday night, that is 9th September 2024, the results of the skill test were out. And people who had applied, many people who had passed the written exam have failed the skill test. And they have come to me saying that there was a lady who telephonically demanded money from them. And when they have refused, they have then failed the skill test. Now, there are glaring discrepancies here. One of which, simple thing is, there are 30 contract LDCs working in the South Goa Collectorate, out of which 29 have failed. And these people have worked for more than a decade. And one person who has appeared has passed, but she has worked only 4 years. One person passed and with less experience has passed, but with more experience who are still working in the Collectorate have failed. What is the meaning of this? 90% of the appointments for the South Collectorate have been from North Goa. So there are flagrant irregularities seen. There are allegations that people who have crossed the age of the required age, overage people have been given jobs in the past by the Revenue Department. The Staff Selection Commission, which was supposed to bring some sort of neutrality and fairness in the selection process, has been bypassed and withdrawn legislatively 3 times in the last 1 year by the government. So the trend of bypassing this standardized recruitment procedure raises concerns about the transparency and fairness in the recruitment process. And it is just and proper that this recruitment process has to be halted, has to be redone, because it means that this is an injustice to 13,845 families, applicants who have been unjustly treated. I have reports that a principal of a government college has been pressurized to manipulate the results, and he has been given a carrot of an extension in the job for doing this. All these things, we have some proof, and I have called upon the Chief Minister of Goa to halt the process, stop this recruitment and review it, so that this major issue of unemployment that is affecting the Goan youth is addressed, and the government is seen to be at least honest in addressing it. But if he does not accede to our demands, then we will be forced to go to the court, because in addition to these 13,845 applicants, there are thousands of more applicants who have qualified in the last 1 year, but who have not got an opportunity to answer this exam because of the mistakes in the recruitment process and the advertisement of the same. So if the government insists, and if the government is stubborn to go ahead with this, it means that the Chief Minister is also involved with the Revenue Minister in manipulating this process and putting his candidates in. And it also means that he does not want to give a neutrality, fairness to the Goan youth who want to seek government employment, and for which we as an opposition party will have to approach the judicial forum. So I am calling upon the government not to be adamant. In the past, this same minister, who is now the Revenue Minister, had made charges against the then PWD Minister, for which JEs and TAs, means junior engineers and technical assistants, they are posts where the process was brought to a halt. He says he had done it with proof. I have got enough unsubstantiated evidence here. Charges, it's very difficult for people to come and file complaints, But if required, those people also will be made ready. And they will come to you and file these complaints against the recruitment process. I call upon the government to halt the recruitment process immediately and review the whole, failing which we will have to approach the judicial forum.